Okay. Bobbin winding on the vibrating shuttle Aldens Eldredge sewing machine. It's got clutch nut in the back here to release the hand wheel, and then the thread comes down under this hook straight off the thread spool, kind of rubs on this cover, but it also rubs on the machine, and then it goes over the top of the bobbin, and you insert it in the winder. And this is the difficult part. So it comes down here under this hook, over this guide, and then onto the spool, and there's almost no tension on it, so it winds the shuttle bobbin very loosely. And then once you have the bobbin wound, when you remove it, this one has black thread on it, but you have to make sure that your original winding tail that's sticking out gets trimmed very short. So my tail is visible there. Okay, to thread this Alden Eldredge vibrating shuttle sewing machine, there's a tensioner button at the top here, so the thread goes off the spool, tensioner button, and then it goes around the back of the tensioner, and then there's a spring here on the underside of the tensioner. There's this pigtail guide underneath the tensioner, and then it goes up to the take-up arm, through the guide on the head of the machine, and then the needle bar clamp has a guide that hooks from the back side, and the needle threads from the outside in, that is left to right. To load your bobbin in your vibrating shuttle, you just drop the bobbin in, and with the point down, you tug the thread straight down until it goes underneath this hook, and then it comes back like so. I'm going to turn it like this, and it settles just like that. And then the shuttle has this big shiny face. That's the outside of the shuttle, and it drops into the vibrating arm like so.